Imagine your body is constantly fighting a war you don't even know is happening. No visible wounds, no fever, no pain. But inside, your immune system is quietly attacking your own tissues, organs, and even your brain. Chronic inflammation is the hidden culprit behind everything from fatigue to heart disease, from weight gain to depression. And the scariest part, it builds up silently over years. In this video, we're diving deep into what chronic inflammation really does to your body, how you can reverse it naturally. Backed by the latest science, simple changes can transform your health and energy. Stick around till the end for a surprising bonus tip you won't want to miss. Let's start with the basics. Inflammation isn't always bad. In fact, acute inflammation is how your body heals. You cut yourself. Inflammation helps you heal. You get the flu. Inflammation fights off the virus. But chronic inflammation is different. It's like a fire alarm that never stops ringing. Your immune system stays activated long after the threat is gone. Over time, this damages your tissues, disrupts normal functions, and contributes to many chronic illnesses. A 2023 study published in Nature Reviews Immunology identified chronic inflammation as a root cause behind at least 8 of the 10 leading causes of death worldwide, including cancer, stroke, heart disease, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's. It's not a symptom. It's the underlying system failure. Here are the warning signs your body might be fighting a war you can't see. Constant fatigue, brain fog, joint pain, puffy face or bloating, frequent colds or infections, trouble losing weight, gut issues like bloating or IBS, anxiety or depressive symptoms. These may seem unrelated, but they share a common thread: inflammatory overload. A 2024 study from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism showed that even low-grade inflammation can cause insulin resistance, making weight loss nearly impossible until inflammation is addressed. So if you're dieting, exercising, and still stuck, inflammation might be the missing link. What exactly does chronic inflammation do to your body? It rewires your brain. Chronic inflammation affects neurotransmitter levels, including serotonin and dopamine. This can lead to depression, anxiety, and even memory loss. Neuroinflammation is now considered a major risk factor for neurodegenerative diseases. It damages your arteries. Inflammation causes microtears and damage in blood vessels. Your body responds by forming plaques, setting the stage for heart attacks and strokes. It disrupts your hormones. Inflammation impacts thyroid hormones, estrogen, testosterone, and cortisol. This can lead to everything from fatigue and low libido to sleep disruption and mood swings. It destroys your gut. It weakens the gut lining, contributing to leaky gut syndrome. That means bacteria and toxins sneak into your bloodstream, triggering more inflammation. It accelerates aging. Chronic inflammation shortens telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA. Shorter telomeres mean faster aging and increased risk of age-related diseases. What causes chronic inflammation? Processed foods, sugar, refined carbs, seed oils, and additives spike inflammatory markers. A 2024 study from Cell Metabolism showed that ultra-processed foods increase C-reactive protein CRP levels, a key inflammation marker, by 30% within just 2 weeks. Sedentary lifestyle. Lack of movement reduces anti-inflammatory cytokines. Even 20 minutes of walking a day reduces inflammation significantly. Chronic stress. Cortisol imbalance causes your immune system to malfunction, keeping it in a state of hyperalert. Poor sleep. Just one night of poor sleep spikes inflammatory cytokines like IL-6 and TNF-alpha. Hidden infections or toxins. Mold, heavy metals, and dental infections can trigger silent inflammation for years. How do you reverse chronic inflammation naturally? Anti-inflammatory diet. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, arugula, berries, blueberries, raspberries, omega-3 South salmon, chia seeds, flaxseed, spices like turmeric and ginger, extra virgin olive oil. Avoid sugar, trans fats, seed oils, and refined carbs. Movement. Aim for 30 minutes of moderate movement daily. Yoga and Tai Chi are especially good for reducing cortisol. Sleep hygiene. Wind down an hour before bed. Sleep in a dark, cool room, and avoid screens 1 hour before sleep. Mindfulness and stress management. Daily breathwork or meditation, even 10 minutes. Grounding by walking barefoot in nature. Detox your environment. Use natural cleaning products, filter your water, and be cautious of mold and heavy metals. Gut support. Eat probiotic-rich foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir. Avoid antibiotics unless absolutely necessary. Include fiber daily from beans, oats, and vegetables. You might not expect this. Loneliness is inflammatory. A 2023 meta-analysis in psychoneuroendocrine found that social isolation increases inflammatory markers like IL-6 and CRP. Meaningful relationships act like a natural anti-inflammatory. Laughter, hugs, community, these aren't just soft luxuries. They're biological necessities. Here's a simple 7-day action plan to reset inflammation. Day 1. Pantry reset. Remove inflammatory foods like sugar, vegetable oils, and processed snacks. Day 2. Movement boost. Add 30 minutes of walking, dancing, or stretching. Day 3. Gut healing. Eat fermented foods and add prebiotic fiber. Day 4. Stress detox. Do 10 minutes of guided breathwork or meditation. Day 5. Deep sleep. Go to bed 30 minutes earlier. Use blackout curtains. Day 6. Connect. Have a heartfelt conversation or call a friend. Day 7. Reflect and plan. Review how your body feels. Choose 3 habits to keep. Chronic inflammation may be silent, but its effects are not. From the brain to the heart, from your gut to your skin, it touches every system in the body. But the best news is, you can reverse it. Your food is medicine. Your breath is therapy. Your habits are the prescription. So start today. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more science-backed health content. Share this with someone you care about, because reversing inflammation could be the single most important step toward a healthier, longer life. Now go reset, rewire, reclaim your health naturally.